Today's marketplace is more and more mobile. Statistics suggest that nearly 50% of commerce takes place on a mobile device. For you and your business, that means it's time to optimize your website to make it more mobile friendly. The key term here is mobile. Mobile visitors are looking for a streamlined version of your site because they're constantly on the move as well. They don't have time to sit at a computer and look you up. They're already in their car, on their way to the first retailer who returns in a Google search. They don't want useless information. Their goal is to get in and get out. Consider these things when designing your website for mobile devices. Keep it simple. Simplify your site. Then simplify it again. Then again. Your goal here is to strip out as much useless information as possible. Put yourself in the shoes of your target customer. What are they looking to accomplish? You only have so much real estate to work with, so it's essential that you provide visitors with the information they want as concisely as possible. Drive the sales process by keeping your mobile site succinct and straightforward. Branding. Optimizing your site for mobile web pages doesn't mean it ceases to be your site. Find clever ways to incorporate your branding into your mobile site. Remember, this is still a brand touchpoint, so you want to be sure to promote and reflect your brand. Provide a consistent experience. Use similar themes and colors across your platforms to provide a consistent experience for your customers. You want them to have a similar experience on the mobile site as they would have on your standard site. Avoid text entry. While some businesses can't get away from this no matter how much they try, you want your site to avoid requiring customers to enter data. Instead, try using checklists, drop-downs, or pre-populated menus that are easily clickable on mobile. Scroll on through. Try to avoid implementing pinch and zoom sites because most users get frustrated with the experience this provides. Instead, focus on offering a smooth and pleasant scrolling experience with a standard menu and plenty of space between buttons. When creating your mobile site, keep in mind that visitors use their fingers instead of a mouse pointer. Scale it down. You've dedicated days and weeks to create an impeccable experience for your users on your standard website. The UI is beautiful and the site is flawless. The only problem is that it doesn't scale to mobile. Remember that people will view your site on smaller screens, and since most users will see it on a smartphone, both landscape and portrait mode are important. With nearly 500 different screen sizes, you'll want to come up with a mobile-optimized landing page. Easy interaction. This one we touched on briefly, but it should go without saying that your users want to interact with your mobile site without a lot of hassle. With that in mind, consider some of the actions that can make for a better mobile experience. You can include links to things like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Maps, email, LinkedIn, and a multitude of other platforms. Make it easy for your customers to find and connect with you. Remember that you want to provide a seamless, simple, easy-to-use experience for your customers. Identify your users. Figure out who your users are and what they want. Identify their typical browsing behaviors and then analyze what makes them tick. There are two main types of users: those who leisurely browse with no goal in mind, and those looking to perform a task. Use this information to design a mobile-friendly site that accommodates your main type of user. Make your content available to all users. Some websites choose to hide certain parts of their site from mobile users, either because it doesn't render well on mobile or because there's too much content for a mobile user to digest easily. Fix it so that this isn't the case. Giving mobile users a stripped-down version of your site can cause you to lose customers when they can't find what they need easily. Simplicity is the key. Infographics instead of large blocks of text help to convey your message on mobile without shortchanging your viewers on content. Make sure your page is optimized for web usage and does not lead users to a blank loading page or an inconsistent site. Develop a mobile strategy, put it into place, and optimize your website for mobile users. In today's market, there's no reason why you shouldn't have a mobile site. Don't miss another helpful video. Subscribe for updates now.